What's up, everybody? This is Eric from AskEazyComputerSolutions. So, since we heard the rumor specs of the LG G9, a lot of people is leaning toward the LG G8. Are they keeping the LG G8? And you know what? I picked this phone up and I want to revisit this device, and I'm going to give you guys some thoughts about the LG G8. A fantastic device, by the way. So, let me give my thoughts about the LG G8. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the LG G8 in 2019 was one of my favorite phones. Let's go and talk about it for a second. Let me give you my thoughts. We got a 6.1 inch Quad HD display on this one. You have the Snapdragon 855 processor with 6 gigs of RAM, SD card support. You got dual cameras on the back, single camera on the front. You got some gimmicky stuff with the air gestures and stuff like that. Got a headphone jack, which has a quad DAC. You got all the bells and whistles. Android 10 running on the LG G8 with desktop mode. So if you wanted to pass on the LG G9, or if you have the LG G8 and you wanted to keep the LG G8 in 2020, oh yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Let's talk about the design of the LG G8. This phone is absolutely gorgeous. One thing that I like about this device, the camera array is flush. We've not seen that in 2020. We're starting to see a lot of phones that have camera arrays that stick it out of the device when you put it on the table. It's giving that wobble look. But these cameras is flush. You got your traditional fingerprint scanner in the back. Nothing wrong with that. You got a beautiful design. So let's talk about the performance of the LG G8. This phone running Android 10 with desktop mode, which is a good thing. Look, here's the thing. Anything in the App Store, this device will run. Don't get caught up in all the specs. Talk about, oh, it don't have 16 gigs of RAM. It don't have 20 gigs of RAM. It don't have the 865. It didn't have the 855 plus processor. This phone will run everything in the App Store with no issues, no problems, no stuttering, no hiccups. And since it's running Android 10, you have all the unique features that Android 10 offer. So in 2020, you find with performance, updates, and everything. Look, LG is supporting this phone. So even if you was to skip the LG G9 because you're upset about the specs, look, the LG G8 is a fantastic device, especially when it comes down to performance and design. Look, it's not the huge big phone. Look, they got the V50, the V40 for that. So the LG G8 is a fantastic phone, fits good in the hand, performs very well, looks good, feels good. So let's talk about these cameras. All right, so LG always make the best cameras on the planet, especially in manual mode. But I did a lot of videos with this device. Let me show you some clips of the LG G8 going against other devices, and I'm gonna let you be the judge for yourself. Check this out. So let's talk about the price. The price of the LG G8 right now, you can get in the used market for 200 bucks, 250 bucks. Now that makes it an appealing offer, especially in the used market. But a lot of people have been telling me, but Easy, guess what? As a new device, you still getting it for about 300 bucks. So people are telling me that Easy, I've been finding the phone brand new for like $350. In the used market is 200. So this makes this device a very affordable device, a very capable device, up to date to everything that you need. Quad HD display, quad DACs, headphone jack, good cameras, good battery life, and everything in between. So let's talk about some of the cons of the LG G8. Look, the boombox speakers on here, it's definitely not as good as the LG G7, and it's not as good as the LG G6. So the external audio is not that great on here. I've made a video about that. I will leave the link down in the description. But if you picking this device up for external audio, and when you put it down, you get a okay sound. It's not the best sound. I mean, look, here's the thing. This phone does not have an earpiece. So it using the vibrational stuff here because it doesn't have an earpiece on it. I don't know why LG did that, but it does not have an earpiece. So it's using a different technology as far as making phone calls. Look, I don't know. I mean, I usually use Bluetooth headphones or something like that. But you just have to be aware of that this phone external audio is not as good as like the LG G7. Another thing towards LG is the external mics when recording videos. It doesn't sound as good as the LG G7 or the LG G6. Look like LG went with a different scenario. The sound a little tinny. I received some updates and it fixed some of the audio cues with this device, but it does sound a little tinny. It's something you have to get used to. I mean, you can use external mics on here and you can make your adjustments in manual mode to try to fix some of those internal mic issues. But as y'all guys watch my YouTube channel, I made a lot of videos with the LG G8. Some people complained that the LG G8 audio didn't sound that great. It sounded tinny.
Listen, I've been doing these camera reviews long time, and yes, I've cleaned the camera lens, so it's no excuses. Whether or not one phone is better than the other. And right now, it's all low light. And when I transition into the light, you be the judge for yourself. But I'll tell you, like right there, the Galaxy S10 is looking washed out right there, but the LG G8 looking pretty good.
But overall, the LG G8 is a fantastic offering, and I do recommend it in 2020 because it is a fantastic phone. Woo! Yes, right. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your questions down below. Let me know what you think about the LG G8 in all its glory. LG, the world is yours. See you guys on the next video. Peace.